Hello people, today I wanted to show you when you use a Softimage and when you want to quickly find the object. For example, you got a Scene Explorer and you have plenty of the objects, but you cannot see or navigate to object. I wanted to show you one option. You probably may not know. For example, if you select a window, it doesn't come up straight away in Explorer. What you can do, I discovered nice option called the track selection. After when you use track selection, you will be able to quickly automatically navigate to desired part. Because for example, I have plenty of the objects. I also wanted to check if I can hide. I have to check if I can hide. Oh, I can hide. But you can hide if you press H and Shift, but then you can quickly hide. Track selection is nice feature. Oh, I can hide this as well. Because my scene is big and I have to update my models. Because I created a updated version of the bench. And I will be able to see my selected objects in Scene Explorer. And this is like Blender's outliner. I can quickly press A and Shift and H button on your keyboard and you can hide or unhide. Okay, I understand this error message. Unfortunately, I will have to, because this is to do with group. For example, you can still use another separate window, Explorer. You cannot have multiple groups, I believe, because this may give you error message. Oh, I also can use another separate window. Oh, but you can also use option like explore groups. Then you will know what parts of the object belong to specific groups. I just wanted to create separate groups. Bench. Yeah, I have to check if I can get rid of groups. Railway tracks. Bench. I don't need that. Don't worry about objects. Because this, in some cases, this causes problems sometimes. Or I can remove this. Bench. I just was wondering if I can drag. You can also drag from left window to right window if you have two separate windows of Explorer, but this tutorial was mainly about option track selection in Explorer Softimage 2015. Oh, sometimes it is too slow. I think I will have to probably work with shaded objects because for some reasons it's not fast enough if I turn textures on. Mm, well, actually, now it is not too bad. Maybe because lights, I guess, I didn't turn lights on. What is this? Headlight? Did I turn lights on? I probably did not turn everything on. Oh, viewport, you can see it's a little bit choppy viewport when you have textures on. But this tutorial was a tutorial how to manage your objects when you use outliner explorer. Because I didn't show you in next video tutorial, I will probably have to use different option, expand selected, but for some reasons this wasn't working. I will check if this works okay in next video tutorial because this feature is also nice.